As we grow older, we first face problems due to cardiovascular disorders. Blood viscosity will increase, blood flow will slow down, and the amount of fatty substances such as cholesterol and triglyceride will slowly increase and accumulate on the wall of the blood vessels. As the deposits on the wall of the blood vessels gets thicker, it leads to diseases such as arteriosclerosis, hardening of the coronary arteries, thrombosis, and so on. The narrowing of blood vessels and an increase in blockage obstructs the blood flow and prevents a good blood supply from reaching the heart. This in turn leads to pathological changes such as coronary heart disease, angina, pectoris attack, and changes in the artery system. Certain muscle tissues also age or even deteriorate due to insufficient nutrients from the blood supply, and this leads to pathological changes in the same organs. All this leads to aging problems. The triterpenes found in long-haul logwood linger are able to improve blood circulation and significantly reduce the amount of fatty substances in the blood, such as cholesterol and triglyceride. This in turn helps to prevent heart disease, hypertension, hyperlipoid syndrome, hardening of the coronary artery, and other coronary heart diseases. Studies where mice were given intravenous injections of the long-haul logwood linger have shown that linger can indeed improve blood circulation of cardiac muscle and help overcome any cardiac muscle deficiency. Linger can also significantly reduce the symptoms of angina pectoris and provide protection for the heart. The effects mentioned just now are consistent with the records of the ancient Shen Nung herbal classic that it cures the accumulation of pathogenic factors in the chest, good for vital energy in the heart, including mental activities, and it tones the spleen. Pharmacological research has shown that linger has a calming and sedative effect on the nervous system. It is particularly effective in the treatment of neurasthenia and insomnia. It can help to improve sleep and appetite, enhances vital energy, improves the memory, and helps regain vitality. All this with no side effects at all. Linger has an obvious effect on enhancing the immune system. Researchers have also shown that linger is high in organic germanium, triterpenes, and polysaccharides. These are active components that enhance the immune system of the human body. Cells like T lymphocyte and macrophage are important immunity cells. The active components of linger can strengthen lymphocyte and macrophage, destroy abnormal cells like cancerous cells, and as a result, help in the prevention and treatment of cancer. Besides the effects of strengthening macrophage and lymphocyte that kills cancerous cells, the organic germanium, polysaccharides, and triterpenes can also enhance the composite of the two types of cells individually and release the tumor necrosis factor, or TNF, and interferon. TNF and interferon can further destroy cancerous cells.